So I show you first that what kind of birds I doing, and then we are modify that bird our art from art style. Okay. So usually I go to the birds now. Okay. And I put down the bird photography. Okay. This is art bird photography. I just take it. We are doing our own ideation. Apply. I just making the bird photography. So if you are choosing photography, see this drawing I did yesterday, day before, yesterday only. So this one you can see here. So this one like I did that. This is see. So you can create this drawing. Okay, fine. I follow this only. Okay, just same fish in fish, in mouth, in the beak. I make the same, but I do some our own art from art style. Okay, so you can create like this. You can do this our art styles. Okay, fine. So this is already done. So you can take some another bird from but this art style. I show you how to draw. Yeah, we are doing the own drawing. Okay, for different birds. Yeah, we are making the own. No, I show you first one drawing, then no need to own bird drawing. I show you. Okay, how to. Yeah. Eagle already done. I can do something this birds. This is a birds. We can create this composition. Okay. So I hope it is visible. All of you, it's visible. Almost visible. Yeah, you can go ahead. Portrait. So but yeah, you can go the portrait, but I do this this form because it's very help to recording properly. So I take this way. Fine. So now the first make composition. To make start from the circle. First make very simple. Do the circle. Okay. After the circle, simple. Its bird is I hope that is a what's the name of this bird? I don't know name. It's Siberian sun. In India also I see somewhere this bird. So you can do like this. First circle and then one weak line straight to this that much. So inside you can create this. Okay. This inside you can create like this. So exactly here. You can see this small eyes. Okay. So just here one line. Okay, like this. Very simple. Here one line like this. We are not making full body. So curve line, you can create a curve line like this. Okay, like this. Aram se. Like this. This turn is a very nice look. This turn, the neck, the long neck. and after that here we are create that much here. Okay, this composition is better. Okay. Nothing else. Nothing else. First, we are doing this composition. Fine. So after do these things is done, finish. Okay, we will go the next steps before erasing. Hello. हेलो या नहीं जस्ट अ मिनट आई एम मीटिंग में आ गए थे तो कर दे रहा हूँ ठीक है चलो जस्ट अ मिनट या सो वी आर गोइंग टू next steps. That much steps is done, right? First you do like this. We are going to make very sharp line. Okay.
Are you using brush pen?
Yeah, I'm using brush pen over here. Right. So brush pen actually very I can maintain control. It is. You can use a normal brush also. Okay. It is absolutely perfect. If you use a normal brush with the black color, is absolutely perfect. It's not an issue. But I am using brush pen. In front of my I have a brush pen. So that's the reason I use in brush pen. Okay. So that when I do the brush pen, that time you make sure your line should be very strong because it is no option to erase. Okay. So yeah. Sure. Oh, nice. You can see. Okay.
So can you show the
Yeah. You can show the lips. You can make it. What you show, Nitin? What you say?
So can you show how to draw the beak again?
Big, yeah. I show. That's 1 minute. Yeah, I show this beak again. Don't worry. So I using the beak over here. Here I just take the paper. So beak is very simple. I just make it. This is the head, right? This is the head. So you can go ahead the strong one line first, like this, strong one line like this, okay, here to here, and then from this point, okay, this point you just add this and add this, so it's little up, okay, like this, and here you can join this with the lower lips also, join like this, inside, go inside. In this circle is go inside, okay, like this, and then here you can make the exactly this position. You can make the eyes, and your feather start from here. Understood, beta? Okay. So. We are make sure this if you are put line little faster now, so it looks very skillful. So doing this line little faster like this. Okay. So after these things done, you will just erasing this pencil line.
For a minute.
Yes, I just give it time 5 minutes. Okay, after that, before start the color, I wait for 5 minutes. You guys are finish it up, and then you can start the color. Okay, don't worry. So I just erasing this. Okay. So next 2 minutes I wait. Fine. So now the drawing is ready. We are going to the next steps. Just few little colors I'm using over here. So for before start, this is you are also just see this one a little bit of what looks it is birds visible little bit of. I just zoom in. This is. We can go ahead to this. The color is orange and basically French ultramarine color where you can use over here. Okay. So you can create very less color. You can making the maximum sketching part. Okay. So we are going to small brush for. Okay, you can go into this. French ultramarine. Done, beta. So I can use the French ultramarine and little red. So I just test the color with my hand. How transparent that much transparent it is. Okay. So again, to make that transparent, so it looks more better. Okay, fine. So you can this is a French ultramarine. French ultramarine and red I put it. Okay, so this color little pinkish kind of. It's early morning. What color you can see? Okay, this is color I'm using over here. Very fresh, early morning color. This is especially French ultramarine, and I'm using the little reddish kind of. So it's come very nicely. And I use this small brush for small stone. Okay. So I just take some color from here and do some small stone. Okay, like this. So I am not doing full drawing in with the color. We are maintaining some arts form, right? So inking and watering. So this is my inking part, watercolor part is almost done. Not much darker color I put, little, you can put little Prussian blue, little dark, the second tone. Okay, this area you can make it little dark. And one more thing it is needs, that is the big color is orange. So I put this very light transparent orange for beak like this. Okay, and I do now for minutes I'll using dryer. Okay. So I'm using dryer over here. I'm using very normal pencils here. This is this pencil is just normal paper also over here. That is just Xerox paper. It's not at all costly paper here. So now I just add on some line. Okay, so just some you can create some sketching line. So it looks like this. You can match that art from. Okay, this is the art from. So lots of dots line and the force line. These things we are creating over here, right? So I do this. Okay, so here I can create a line. Make sure this line is not at all very disturbing. Okay, if you need where you need, you can put it. Okay? Usually side line I make it metal, extra line I add for the side. This is okay. This is a creating the force. Okay, I just create few areas. I do some sketchy line. This is actually this help to create our art from art style, you can say. No, I maintain some art style. So you guys are when okay create something, you are now lots of experience. You guys are making the charcoal, pen and ink, watercolor, right? So all those things. So you can apply this all techniques. Okay, whatever you are comfortable to apply these techniques. Okay, here and there. We are making something like this. Okay. So that much is enough for lining. Okay. So I'm using this 3 pen, brush pen. Yes.
Have you done the next drawing of Ganesha?
Ganesha. This Ganesha's topic we are taking the next week. This topic on this week only birds. So one series is going on, bird series. So so that's the reason I promise I make some lots of Ganesha's techniques and design. So I do research and I make lots of painting also Ganesha. So I need more time to show uh, Ganesha. Okay, don't worry, I promise I'll show you. So yes, so I feel line I need to little darker, so I hope it looks great if you make it also like this. I just create some line, it's little darker. Okay, and after that we are creating, then it's match with this art from. Okay, that is the yes. Okay, make it something like this. So like this, some lines outsides. Okay, so I can create some lines like this. It's and so I can using this pen, and I just take its color. What color I put over here? That color only I spray. So I take some faint ultramarine and red. Okay. So I just make it this color like this. Something